Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Twitter, or now X, username. So in order to change your Twitter or X username, all you need to do is go right here to your home page, just like this, and then you want to click on your profile picture. Now what you want to do is you want to click on settings and support, and you want to click on settings and privacy. Now you want to simply click on your account information, and then you want to click on username, and here you can see your current username, and all you then need to do is type in a new username by clicking on continue, and then you can simply type in whatever username you want. And if this username is available, then all you literally need to do, so let me quickly choose a username that's available. All you need to do is let me quickly find a username that's available. For example, this one. Then all you need to do is click on done, and then your username will be saved. And if you then go back to your profile just like this, then you can see that it's also changed on your profile. So that's how you can change your Twitter or now X username. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.